I'm Aaron, and today we'll be taking a closer look at Hammer. This puzzle is a level 8 on the Puzzle Master difficulty scale. This puzzle and many others are available at puzzlemaster.ca. So this is a puzzle by Jean Claude Constantin, and we don't just get one hammer, we get 4 hammers and a frame. The frame has this nice bicolor look, and it's got bent nails laser cut out of the back of it for flavor. I'm not exactly sure what that says, but it's actually engraved into the puzzle itself. The back is just plain. You have your cutout still. The hammers are quite special too. They've got different colors of wood. And they got some 3D to it even as well. Very good looking. The whole goal of this puzzle is to fit all 4 of these hammers into this frame. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, we have plenty more like it on our YouTube channel. Haven't had enough? Join our community on Facebook or Instagram. Want more puzzles? We have a massive catalog of puzzles at puzzlemaster.ca.